Welcome to the Opal shop. This here is a pre-cut piece of Boulder Opal. The rule is set in millimeters and the stone has been wetted to enhance the natural colors. The white patches are reflection from the light, apologies, but here is a closer look of what the stone looks like. Lovely shades of green and blue. Side, back of it. You can use it and reshape it and can finish off and make a lovely knife handle, or if you wish you can cut the stone in half and repurpose it as a pendant or any piece of jewellery that you can take out of it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.